I'm gonna tell you top 10 tips to retain manpower in your business, because when a person enters in your business, he or she will know many things about your business. It's better to work with that person up to years rather than choosing a new person every month. Okay, so let's start the video. I'm Pranshu Agrawal, business coach, entrepreneur, and influencer marketing specialist. So let's start the video. First point is that there's a nowadays the problems in the business is competition and attrition. Competition means whatever the stream you choose, whatever the pathway you choose, there are lots of persons who is doing business in that stream, in that path. So you have to figure out the uniqueness of your business, of your product, of your service, so you can reach out more customers and they convert in your sales. Because many people are doing work in your niche, many people are working in your path, so you have to create a uniqueness why people choose you over other people's, over other businesses. So second point, so second factor is attrition, the process of suppressed strength of weaknesses by sustainable factors. Because when you are doing a business, lots of people enters in your business, and in business you can't run that you can't continue that journey without departments, because there are lots of departments in businesses like research and development, marketing, sales and marketing, etc. There are lots of departments in the business, and there are lots of team in these departments. Every in these teams there are lots of persons, but when they are coming in your company and they know about your business and they leave after a month, this is gonna help you to generate the revenue, or this is gonna degrade the value of your company. This is gonna degrade the value of your company. So you have to figure out how to retain these persons in your company for years, so you can work with a person who knows about your company for further plans, for further projects, for further bigger projects. Because it's better to connect with the people who know about your company or business for a particular time rather than connecting new people every month. Okay, second point is that rather than raising the salary of the persons, you can provide services. Yes, you can provide the services I saw in school. I observed that thing in school. They are providing bus facilities to the employees of that school, so they can easily reach out from their home to school. You can do the same. You can give them a free bus service, free car service, so you can drop them from their, you can pick them from their home, and you can drop after the running hours of your business gets over. Yeah, they were dropped by your car or bus service. Or you can provide tea coffee service whenever they are working in your company. 8 hours or 10 hours work is not easy, everyone gets frustrated, so you can provide tea, coffee, or some snacks, or you can put a snack counter in your business company, so people get engaged with that thing, so they don't get messed up, they don't get frustrated by doing 8 hour or 10 hour work. Third thing is that you have to provide insurance, accidental insurance, health insurance, and life insurance. Because we don't know what happen in our future, what can happen in our future, so we have to ready for that. And if you are providing insurance to that person by reducing some salary of it and giving some amount of your money from your business revenue, it can elevate the working of your business, because this thing show that your business, you cares for your employees, and this will build a relationship with your customer. Fourth point is that never delay their salaries, never delay their promotions. Okay, you have to give them salary at the starting of month. You don't have to delay from 1 to 15. Yeah, if you are giving the salary, just give on the day you promise to that person. Timely promotions will be enabled in your company, because when a person is working and he or she is not getting promotion, they will move to another company. Okay, fifth thing is that you can provide some services to the blue collar employees, like they are taxi drivers, they are bus drivers, or they are some employees who buy raw materials for your business. So you can provide some ration to them, like 2000 to 3000 rupees or something, 20 to $50 groceries to them, so they can easily manage their working for their homes. Okay, sixth point is that you can provide services that whenever a person is working in your company and he or she don't have to work for 8 hours or 10 hours a day, or this can be done by working from home. You can give them a flexi schedule, that you can give them a schedule of working 2 to 3 hours in an office, or and the rest of the time they can work from home. This will elevates that thing that you are caring for that person, and this will help you to build out a relationship with them. When you are caring for them, they will definitely think when they are getting offer from other company, they will definitely think that this person is caring for me. uh, does this person also cares for me? Okay, this creates a huge difference. Whenever you are caring for that person, whenever you are giving them a flexi schedule, this will help you to maintain your relationship with your employees, and this will help you to save some amount of money also. Okay, seventh point is that you can give them a contract. Whenever any person is working in your company or in your business, okay, he or she wants to buy a car, he or she wants to buy a laptop, he or she wants to buy a bike, you can sign a contract with them that if you stays in our company up to 3 to 4 years, we will provide you that thing. That, let's suppose Ramesh wants to buy a laptop. Okay, he wants to buy a laptop. You can sign a contract with him. If you work in our company for 3 years, we will give you that laptop at free of cost. The expense will be yours, will be from our revenue, not from your salary. This will create a huge difference. This will create a relationship with them, that this company is caring for me, and whenever that person getting offers from other company, whenever that person getting offers from other company, then he will definitely think that if I work for 2 years more, I get a laptop, but if I work for 2 years in that company, I don't get anything. Okay, this creates a difference. Okay, eighth point is that interest-free loan for emergencies purposes, because whenever a person is working in your company, you don't know the problems he or she is facing in her life. Maybe he or she might with an accident, he or she have to submit a school fees for his or her child, he or she is suffering from any financial crisis, or maybe he or she took a loan from bank or from any other money lenders to build out their home, to build out their car, etc., and they are not able to repay that thing. They are totally frustrated, and when they are frustrated, they are not able to work in your company. They don't able to generate any profit in the company. So you can help them, in their face, and you can deduct the salary. You can deduct their salary for up to 3 months, 6 months, etc. They will definitely agree with this thing. But if you have them, this will makes a relationship with you, that your company helping that person in his or her bad situation. And the person always reminds about any person when he or she helped in his or her bad phase. And the ninth point, you can do additional week off after every year of working there. Let's say there is a person who is working like Suresh in your company. Okay, you can sign a contract with that person, or you can give them a bribe. Like, if you work for a year, you will get an additional day off from a week. Like, let's suppose the working days of your company in a week is 6 days. After a year, that person will get a leave of 1 day more, Saturday, Sunday. After 2 years, he will get 1 day more. He have to work only 4 days in a week. And after 30 years, you don't give them a leave again. You can give them a promotion, or you can say them that if we get satisfied with your work, if we get satisfied with your service, we will give you a promotion. So after 3 years, you will get a promotion and 2 days off in a week. And the final bonus tip, you can do one thing. First of all, when a person is coming from their home, nobody wants to work in the morning. So whenever they are coming in your office, you can inspire them, motivate them in the morning, so they can remain energetic throughout the day, and will help you to generate more profit in your business. As well as, what you can do, you can give them a schedule. Like, let's suppose that person have to work for 3 hours. After that, he or she will get a 1 hour off, by in which he or she can play games, he or she can build out their skills, so he or she can enjoy. After that, they have to work for 3 hours. They will get again 1 hour rest, and they have to work for 2 hours more. This gives them a flexi schedule in which help them to elevate their energy levels, which will help you also to get more profitable. Let's suppose there is a person who is giving 5 hours a day on both ends. There are two persons who is giving 5 hours work every day, but that person is actively doing 2.5 hours work. That person is working 5 hours of work, where you will get a better profit, that one. So you can do that thing. You can give them a flexi schedule: 3 hours of work, 1 hour of rest, 3 hours of work, 1 hour of rest, and 2 hours of work. This will help them to remain energetic, and this will definitely help you to grow your business. If you like that video, if you think that a video is knowledgeable for you, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon so you get my video first. After that, you can watch to my video which faster decisions in the business help you to generate more revenue. That video is there. Which faster decisions help you to generate more profit in your business? Just check out that video and we will further discuss over